Hi, I'm standing in front of Durbin Estates, a mobile home park in Noblesville, Indiana. This one is a solid cash flowing investment, plus there's potential to add value and revenue on top of that. And get this, it's located in Hamilton County, which is one of the state's most desirable and most prosperous counties throughout the state. To get the whole scoop, follow me now. Hi, I'm Bob with Top Choice Real Estate and the Living in Indiana team, bringing the word on the street, talking Indiana real estate. Durbin Estates was built in 1971. It has 7 rental units plus 1 vacant pad, which could also be leased out. There's also a 960 square foot garage here. And I guess if someone wanted to get creative, they could lease it out too. All of the units have been recently upgraded with the exception of one long-term tenant who is obligated to do his own maintenance and repairs. Those upgrades included about $4,500 for insulated metal skirting, which eliminated all the worries about frozen pipes come the winter time. And get this, the gross monthly revenue is...
We're talking about living in Indiana, and I apologize for breaking in, but maybe you can do me a favor. If you like this video or found this content helpful to your cause, then hit the subscribe button, like right now. There's no cost or obligation, there's only benefit. I work harder to make good things happen. Okay, back to the show.
As I was about to say, the gross monthly rental income is an even $9,000 per month. That adds up to a grand total of $108,000 each year. Tenants pay their own electric, cable TV, and internet, and the owner currently pays water and trash. Hey, I've got a cash flow statement, rent roll, and expense invoices available for qualified buyers to take a look at. There's no hidden costs. It's all pretty simple and straightforward and makes for a solid cash flow. $108,000 each year. Plus, there's plenty of potential to add value and revenue too. Hey, you could bill back the trash, you could sub-meter the water, you could rent out the garage, you could fill up that vacant pad with another unit. Heck, a tiny house would look real good there. And I'm sure you have a lot of your own ideas on how you could increase revenue or cut expenses. And let's not forget, this is located in Hamilton County. I mean, you're talking Noblesville and Fishers here. The school system is Hamilton Southeastern. There's one right across the street there. And that school system is ranked number 6 out of 289 school systems in the state, if you can imagine that. This park provides housing for people that would like to work in the area but maybe can't afford the high-priced housing that you find in Noblesville and Fishers. And with 54 years under its belt, this cash flowing investment will make someone a real nice return. Let me know what questions you have, or if you'd like to come down and kick the dirt, we can make the arrangements. Give me, Bob, a quick call, text, or email, because I work harder to make good things happen. Enough said. You make it a great day now.
If you're considering relocating to the greater Indianapolis area or moving anywhere within central Indiana, be sure to tune in every week to learn all there is to know about real estate and living in Indiana. Whether you're buying or selling, please keep in mind, I work harder to make good things happen. Hey, make it a great day now. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to watch this next clip right now.